Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. May God bless you all. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious beans and plantain porridge. Let's get started. So here is the beans I'll be using. They call this honey beans. This is what we're using for the porridge. And then I have here these three very ripe plantains. We'll also be using that. I have some tomatoes and the peppers here with onions and some garlic cloves. I'm going to wash these and prepare them for blending. And then I've washed the beans. I'm just going to parboil it for about 10 minutes, wash it off, and then use my pressure pot to cook it. After washing the beans, I'll transfer it to the pressure pot, add in some water into it to cover the beans, and then cover and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes until it gives me like up to 5 whistles. Then I'll know that the beans is well cooked. I'm done washing the tomatoes and the peppers and also cutting them. I also added some ginger. So the next thing is to blend. I will also prepare all the other ingredients we are using. I've washed the plantain, peeled and sliced it into these chunks. We are using some smoked fish which I've prepared. I have here salt, some crayfish, some onions, seasoning cube, and palm oil. I add the palm oil in the dry pot, and once it heats up, I add the chopped onions and then fry a bit, and we'll continue with the other ingredients. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy it. I just added the blended tomatoes and pepper mix. I will stir it and then cover it and allow it to cook down for some time before I will now add the other ingredients. Allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes. Perfect. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also share the video. Thank you. See you in our next video. Until then, remain blessed. Love you all. Bye bye.